Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. On this market update, we're going to look at the swing trades that are going on at the moment. I'm just about to go off to the gym. I'm doing this market update on Friday mid-morning. Let's take a little look at these charts. So we're going to start with the pound versus the US dollar. It's been in a big downtrend. Lots of reds. Pro trend systems sell with reds. We've got a small one here, a small one there, and now we get the big one. Okay, so I mentioned that on the previous videos that small move, medium move, big move, and we've got that sell signal here on the pro trend system. Next target is 118.44. Now let's just bring over the results here on the pro trend system, the swing trading results in real time. You'll see the trades here updating in real time. You can see the pound US dollar short. It's been short for 5 days here, up 180 pips profit. So if you're new to trading, especially spread betting, at a pound a point, you'll be making 180 pounds profit in 5 days. You just got to multiply that up with your position size. Euro dollar has been quite quiet recently, but still short side. Okay, so 80 points up on that as well. Now the pound Swissy, sterling's certainly getting hammered here. It's been 11 days down, 256 pips profit on that one. Dollar Swissy, just 5 pips loss here. Pound Aussie, 188 pips loss. You would be taking a smaller loss than that, of course. And if you look at the euro here, you're starting to see a couple of long trends kicking in. Okay, so we're starting to maybe see the euro. Are we seeing it strengthening? Not really. I mean, the euro dollar's down 81, or in profit 81 pips on the short side. But you know, if the euro was really weakening across the board, we'd be seeing short trend in the euro yen, euro sterling short trend. But we're not seeing long trends here. The dollar's still the currency that's pretty strong. It's been in a major move, and it's this dollar yen against the yen. The yen's been really weak. We just had a new buy signal 3 days ago. It's up 151 pips in 3 days. You can see it working up here in real time. So let's go and have a little look at these markets and show you what's going on. These yen pairs here, New Zealand yen, I was looking at the short side on that, so I'm going to look at that in 1 second. But let's go and have a little dive into these swing trades. You see the pound US dollar, yeah, that target isn't far away, so I can see it getting down to there. Euro dollar, in fact, let's have a look at the dollar yen, because that's been such a strong market. A nice buy signal at 135 here. Stop down at this 133.81. We're trying to get up to this 138. Now the key here is that we really do need to, you know, it's a great trade so far. We've got this area here, 138.38, and that comes in with a big double top. So as long as we've got green on the board, then it's still long side, and that's what keeps it really simple for us here and our students. Now if I just scrunch this in slightly here, this has been such a big move on the dollar yen, and it feels like, you know, we want to go even higher and maybe make this 142.48. That would be an incredible move, and that just fits nicely with this whole pattern. You see, as we get this little zigzag here, and then maybe a flat running pattern, and we can move up to that 142. The key is we've got to break above these areas here. If we get above those areas there, that target is in play. The other thing here, the other option on this dollar yen, is that we continue green, green. We stall at 138, so bank profits here at 138, bank some profits anyway. And then let's see if at that area we turn red, because if we do turn red at that area there, then we make a lower high, and that could be up there, down, up, down. Okay, so just following the patterns. The market goes in waves. As a trader, we're just looking for those wave patterns, okay, to play out. And with the pro trend system and all our software, it becomes really, really easy. Let's have a little look at gold prices as well, because we're starting to see a little bit of sell signals here on gold. Nice short signal around the 1774 entry here. We're trading at 1754, which is a real nice profit. We've got the 1722 down here. Let's see if we can get some further downside on gold. Looking at this, have a little look at this New Zealand yen that I just mentioned to you guys. It's been a sloppy market. Let's get rid of this Fibonacci work. Been a bit sloppy, but you know, we had a lovely move up. All buy signals are profitable, all sell signals are profitable. We've got a new sell signal. Let's see if we start breaking below, and I would put an order in below the low here, just see if it breaks below, because we've got a red PTS, that's why, and we're making a potential lower high. So red PTS with a lower high combination is a shorting opportunity. All right, just like it was here and here. All right, guys, plenty of stuff going on. Dollar's still strong. Stock markets are starting to get a little bit fragile, so I'll be very careful, keep your eye on those. Otherwise, have a great rest of the weekend. Enjoy some cracking swing trades going on. A lot of people talk about August being really quiet. Well, it isn't. It's been fabulous. We've had some fabulous swing trades and some fantastic day trades in particular as well. All right. Hope it helps. Speak to you on the next newsletter. If you want to get onto our Pro Trader program, I think there is an offer somewhere on our website, or speak to Chris in the office. And I'll speak to you soon, guys. Take care.